Vlogmas was a lie. Because how you guys edit every single day. And here I am, I just woke up and wondering what to do today.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the
So guys, let's support Del Monte products because we cannot ignore our company with a heart. Sobrang rare lang ng kumpanya na may totoong malasakit, kaya mas lalo natin silang supportahan.
'cause now the joke's on me.
Hey, it's playtime! So guys, this is what I got.
I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite.
I really miss Monay. I tried Monay, yung binibenta sa labas, but I don't like it. But it smells so good, but I don't like the taste. I also buy a tender juicy hot dog for pangbaon. Pure Foods nuggets. Pangbaon guys. Pure Foods tapa, chicken tapa, and tocino.
She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me.
I also have Ferrero here. My boyfriend got me this on our anniversary. So yeah, that's all.
Oh, so cruel. Oh, so adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me, adore me.
Hi, Shiloh.
I've never been to this part of town.
So hey guys, guess what's this? Ice cream. So it's the flowers. Check out dried na siya. So silica gel. Yun na ng sakit. Look at the carnation. So this is the silica that they use. Is that okay? So kung paano, hindi ko alam. So guys, ito yung inspired natin.
tingnan mo, sinasabi ko na nga baga ay pagtitindahin mo ako ng bulaklak. Pag marami na akong money, mapunta ako ng Amsterdam. Kasi doon maraming tulips. Amsterdam yung pinakamaraming tulips. Like, meron doon hektarya. Puro tulips na. I made it! It will look like a bouquet again. Sorry guys, natapos ko siya.
So guys, I just finished my brunch. So now let's clean the house.
So while cleaning, I'm watching Rice Blast. Viewers everywhere.
I used to jump without looking. Didn't get if I fell too hard. Now I keep my hands in my pockets. Overthink every scar.
This is my everyday makeup pouch. This is my skincare pouch.
Summer breaks for long nights and lost direction.
Sunscreen lotion. Hello, Grace and Glow. I miss you. Makeup remover. Original moisturizer. It's almost gone.
Where did she go? I swear she was just here.
And this are the soaps that I've been using lately. It's all Thai product.
It's a whitening soap, by the way.
I'm going to throw this na since konti na lang siya. Ano siya magagamit. So I'm almost done, and after all of this, I'm going to shower na and study again. Bye! So guys, our washing is not automatic, and I'm going to salang my laundry na, my dirty clothes.
I used to wish something to rise. Just going home to the breeze. Now I'm scared to make a simple promise. When nothing stays the way it seems. Where did she go? I swear she was just here, running the show, so unafraid. Wish I could go back to those days. Where did she go? Is she hiding in me? Behind dreams I used to dream. Help me see the world the way I used to do. Life was just good.
matcha, but I don't have fresh milk, so I'm gonna use powdered milk for the milk of my matcha. So let's go! Now, baliktad guys. Dapat milk ang nilagay ko dito sa pasta. Pero whatever.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party.
Tastes like a matcha.
I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you